In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fully remove the cowl on your OBS Ford. Starting off with the antenna. There's this chrome plate on top which can be popped off with a flathead screwdriver. Below that is 4 screws that hold the antenna on. Next is the windshield wipers. These can be an absolute pain to get off, especially if they haven't been removed for a while. To remove them, all you have to do is pull up on the arm, and there's a small clip at the base of the wiper that gets pried up. After that, you just have to pull it straight back. Sometimes it's a little tougher than that. If you're having trouble getting it off, you can move the arm up and down as you're pulling back. Normally, that'll do the trick. Next is these screws along the front lip. This weather stripping is what stops water from pooling onto your engine. If yours is original, it would be a good time to replace it. I'll have a list in the description of a few wear and tear items in this area, if you want to look through and possibly replace some of them. Lastly, there's 5 screws on top of the cowl. A magnetic screwdriver helps a lot here. I've dropped my fair share of screws down to the cowl. Once it's pulled far enough back, you'll see these 2 rubber lines. These go to your windshield spray nozzles. Both rubber hoses can be pulled straight off. Most of you will still have your hood installed when doing this, which is fine. The cowl can still be squeezed out even with the hood on. The only thing that I recommend is protecting the cowl or your hood with some painter's tape. I made the mistake of not doing that a few years ago, and some paint ended up getting scraped off. So that is how you remove the cowl. If you want to see how to reseal it, you can check out this video right here.